Hey guys, so today we're reviewing the Hevy App Workout and whether or not it's actually worth it. I've been using this on my phone. Okay, it's quickly become my go-to for tracking my progress. And if you're wondering whether or not you should get it, I'll give you my take, my honest experience, and a pros and cons both. Look, so first of all, what I really love is the logging, the intuitive workout logging. It's incredibly easy, honestly, to create routines, to log your sets, your reps, your weights. And the interface, honestly, it is super clean. Okay? And what I love the most is that it automatically shows you your previous performance for each exercise, which is great. It's a huge motivator for progressive overload. And they have a huge, exercise library with high quality videos. Okay, it's fantastic for, checking your form or discovering new movements. And also the progress tracking and analytics, they're top notch. Okay, you can actually see detailed charts for volume, for personal records, and even estimated one rep maxes. This visual feedback is incredibly, it's just satisfying and it helps you stay accountable. What I also love, they have the Apple Watch and Wear OS integration with a live sync, and it's seamless, allows you to track directly from your wrist without constantly pulling out your phone, right? And okay, I'll give you the cons as well, because a lot of stuff, I'm going to be honest, they have a pro subscription. Okay. So in this pro subscription, they have, locked a lot of the more advanced analytics and the ability to create an unlimited number of routines. They're locked behind this pro subscription. Okay. And if you are a heavy user who plans to have many different splits, this can be a limitation. Okay. And I also noticed that while this app, it's mainly great for strength training, okay, and weightlifting. It's less comprehensive for other types of workouts like, cardio or, well, I would say, specialized bodyweight routines, although you can still log them. The focus is definitely on the gym. But honestly, it's free. You should give it a shot. Try the free version. It's way better than the other stuff I've tried out that are free. So give it a shot. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.